Performing tea budding. To perform this budding technique, you will need the following: budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock with a healthy bud stick. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown bark meet. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstock. Cut the bud and remove it from the rootstock. In the other rootstock, make a T-shaped slit around the active growth part. Scrape the bark open and place the bud stick into slit. Secure the bud stick in the place using the bark flaps. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of the plastic to avoid water from coming into contact with the union. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the buds start to swell.